Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel, Jay's Creative Space. Today I have a crafty haul for you, and this is a combined haul from Dollar Tree and Pop Shelf, which is inside of Dollar General. Well, I think there may be some stores alone, but mine is inside of Dollar General. Before I get started with the haul, you know I gotta take a moment to welcome you back. Hey. And if you're new, welcome. If you are new and wondering what we do here, well, here we do crafts, DIYs, and crafty hauls. And with that said, let's get on to this Dollar Tree / Pop Shelf haul. That is a mouthful. Now, before I get started with the haul, I'm gonna explain a little bit what Pop Shelf is. It's a new store, and it's inside of Dollar General. I think we're gonna get one in a town close to us that's like by itself, and there's all kind of cute little neat things in there. It reminds me kind of like Big Lots. Big Lots, maybe. You know what? It kind of reminds me of Dollar General now I think about it, because Dollar General was like grouping their little decor items together already, and it just like, yeah, that's kind of reminds me of. But if the prices are the same of like Big Lots, and you'll see a few things. I grabbed just a few things, but not too much. Here's the first thing that I had, this carrot that's been in my hand the whole time, but this is a carrot pick, and it's so cute, and this was only $2. It's not that long, but I think I'm gonna go back and get a couple more because I think this would be so cute in a wreath. Next, I have these decorative eggs, and they're just little mini foam glitter eggs, and these were $1. So I found even smaller foam eggs, and they're made out of foam. And these are $1 as well. And I found these metal hello, like this hello made out of galvanized metal. Now this was $2, so to me, Dollar Tree is a better value for this, but I don't think I've seen the hello at my Dollar Tree. For $2, yeah, Dollar Tree is a better price for this, because the Dollar Tree is $1.25. But I've never seen it at Dollar Tree, so I grabbed it there, and I thought this would be cute because making all kind of signs, you could do like hello spring, hello summer. So I grabbed 2 of those. That was it for Pop Shelf. Like I said, I didn't grab too many things. I just was kind of curious, like, what is going on? What is this store? Do y'all have a Pop Shelf? Did your Dollar Generals get Pop Shelves inside? If so, have you been there? Do you like it? Do tell in the comments. But anyway, now this is something I hauled on my hauls channel, which is Flamingo Finds, but I wanted to show it here because I bought this to make carrots with. I'm gonna make little carrot wreaths, and I thought this would be cute for the top of the carrot. So cute. I know that St. Patrick's Day is over, but I still hauled these shamrocks. As you can see, I still hauled these because I was looking for these this year, and I could not find anything like this. So I got them for next year, because when I do make a wreath for St. Patrick's Day next year, I'll still want these, and at least I'll have them. I do that sometimes, like I'll still buy something even though the season's over for next year. And I also grabbed these beads. These were for Mardi Gras, but I'm going to be using them to do crafts with, so I grabbed them, and there's a good amount in here. Oh, there's 8. Good amount. There's 8. But oh, did I tell you this was from Dollar Tree? I don't remember if I said this was from Dollar Tree. So this and this is starting the Dollar Tree haul. So sorry if I didn't mention that. But yeah, I got these for crafting. Next, I hauled this on my hauls channel as well, but I'm going to show you here. This is a bunny head wreath, and it's so cute. Ooh. Maybe I can incorporate some of this in there. No, that's too big. Oh, this can definitely go somewhere on here. But anyway, this is just a bunny head wreath. I think I grabbed 2 of these. So yeah, cute. I definitely know I hauled these on my haul channel the other day, but these are bath sponges. And let me show you up close. I thought these were cute. When I saw these, I knew I was not going to use them for bath sponges, and they're not really the thickest thing to use for bath sponge anyway, but I got these to do crafts with. So you could do like a sweets themed wreath, or at Christmas if you do like a sweets Christmas, or my daughter, when she was in kindergarten, they did a Candyland theme for the classroom, so this would be cute for that too. But I just grabbed one of each of them, and I've seen people too, the gnomes at Dollar Tree carries, stick these in their hands of the gnomes, and I thought that would be a cute idea if I could ever find one of the gnomes, you know, the imaginary gnomes that I never could find. That would be cute. But so I grabbed one of each of these. This color right here is my favorite, which is funny because pink is my favorite color. Now from Dollar Tree, I also grabbed these large Easter bunny eggs. Are they even called eggs? They're for your Easter basket. And I grabbed 3 of them. I grabbed the purple one, trying to get the focus. I grabbed a pink one. And I grabbed a blue one. And I got one for each of my girls' Easter baskets. Since I have 3 girls, and I grabbed one for each of them. But before I put this in her basket, I'm going to kind of do a little cute redecorating on that. So if you want to see that, stay tuned, because that will be coming up soon, because I gotta get going on the Easter baskets. Last part of the haul are going to be some really cute window clings that I found, and I really was looking for these forever, but I finally found these from Dollar Tree, and I really think, can it focus? There we go. So this, look how pretty this is. And it has the bunny, and I love the colors on this. I love the colors because it's not like the traditional Easter colors, which I do love those pastel colors, but it has that pretty green and pink. I know not everybody likes those light pastel colors, but this is so pretty, and the craft possibilities are endless. I also grabbed this because it has a cute bunny butt. And the sign Happy Easter is pretty. The chicks are cute too. And I, of course, love that truck. I love that rustic truck. I grabbed this one too. This kind of reminds me of, if you've seen that movie Frozen, like that style of their clothes. This reminds me of that. But I just thought this was pretty. So I grabbed one of those. And this last window cling came from Pop Shelf. And I saw Tony from Creative Chica haul this. And when she hauled this, I was like, that's why I went to Dollar General. I went the next day because I wanted it. And it's this gnome. First of all, if y'all are new, I love gnomes. Hi, I'm Jay, and I love gnomes. Like, I love gnomes. So look at these gnomes. Look how cute they are. Look at that. There's 3 of them on here. They're so happy to just be. Look at him in his Easter basket. And these gnomes are all different colors. Look. And even just the style of this reminds me of something from Target. Normally Target will do like different colors, like different color skin tones. But Dollar General is really, I mean, they're stepping up their game. I don't even know. Not even just the skin tones, but the style of it looks like something from Target. So if it focus. Look how cute and how happy they are. They are just adorable. I don't know what it is about those gnomes, but I just love them. But anyway, that is the end of this crafty haul. Oh, that is the end. There's nothing else. I always want more. But I will see you next time, next craft, next crafty haul. Bye.